Hey Socialites, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So today is going to be an exciting video. I love fragrance, okay? I love a good perfume, but unfortunately, a lot of them just don't last. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the top 10 most long-lasting perfumes in my collection. So first up, we're going to talk about a perfume I reach for often. It's considered an easy reach no matter where you go. It could be casual. You could wear it on date night anywhere. Very feminine and very popular. And this is Burberry Her from Burberry. This is one of my most worn fragrances. This is the biggest bottle, the 3.3 fluid ounce bottle. This is pretty. It's a sweet, fruity fragrance that's filled full of fruits. Strawberry is, I think, the main fruit note in this, but there's a ton of fruits and berries in this perfume, and it's musky. It's equally as musky as it is fruity, but it's very pretty. It's a sweet, pretty, feminine fragrance that's a little bit sparkling, almost like soda. I've told you guys this in a recent video. Something sparkling in here is musky, very fruity, feminine, and very fun. There's an undertone in this that sort of gives Baccarat vibes. I think it's the type of musk that's in here. Interesting that the perfumer who made this perfume is actually the same perfumer who made Baccarat. This one lasts me all day long, so when I spray it, no matter how long I'm gonna be out, I know I'll be able to smell this. Very long lasting and very pretty. Next on the list is My Way from Giorgio Armani. There's something in here, you get florals and something in here that's almost like bubblegum like. So My Way has orange blossom. That's why it smells a little bubblegum like. It's the orange blossom can give bubblegum sometimes, so it has orange blossom in it. There's tuberose in here and jasmine, vanilla, and musk, and there's cedar in here. Y'all, this is nice. This is one that I only wear in like spring and summer because to me it just gives florally and spring and summertime. It's strong and long lasting, you guys. This lasts all day long. If you're not a fan of a lot of florals, you may not like this, but it is pretty and it smells expensive and it's elegant. To me, perfect for summertime, and it lasts all day long. Next perfume is Myrrh and Tonka from Jo Malone. Now this one can probably be, this is considered unisex. This is one of the more spicier fragrances in my collection, and it smells like powder. It's powdery, it's woodsy, it's a little sweet, smells sophisticated, equally as gorgeous on a man or a woman. This is good. It's sort of on the strong side. It says cologne intense on the bottom underneath where it says Myrrh and Tonka, but this is a good everyday scent to me, especially fall and winter, but I do wear it year round. Love this one, you guys. This is one when I spray it in the morning, don't have to worry about it because it's gonna last all day long. This is beautiful. I feel like I hadn't picked this up in a few months, probably in 2024, maybe in January was the last I wore it, but this is a beauty. It's a stunning fragrance. You know how when you pick up a fragrance that you hadn't smelled in a while, you're almost like shocked at how beautiful it is? That's what I'm getting from this, but it's a warm, comforting scent and very long lasting, which is different from Jo Malone because I do hear a lot of people say that Jo Malone fragrances doesn't give you that longevity, but this one does. And next is a fragrance I love. Now this one was on my June perfume tray, and it's Coach Dream Sunset from Coach. Beautiful, fruity, floral fragrance, very fun, uplifting. There's musk in here, so you have that sort of sophistication added to the fruity florals. Now, this is my second bottle of this. I went through one bottle like last year or the year before. Oh my gosh. It's fresh, it's fruity, it smells like dripping fruit. It's like a juicy fruit that's musky, and it smells sophisticated. It's fun. This is for any age. Gorgeous on a 20-year-old, gorgeous on a 65-year-old. This is beautiful. This is one of the fragrances that I buy for gifts. Usually, I love to give gifts. And usually somebody that I really like, this is one of the perfumes that I buy because I feel like a lot of people would love it. And the few people who I've gotten it for birthday gifts did really love it. So, and a lot of you guys said that after you tried it, you loved it too. But this is long lasting, which is unique. Usually fruity floral fragrances similar to this don't last as long as this one does. I think maybe it's the musk in here that helps it to last, because that's what lingers the longest, but it stays sweet throughout the duration of the wear. Really good, beautiful, long lasting, I would say spring and summer scent. And next up is one of my top 3 favorite fragrances in my whole collection, and this is Gentle Fluidity Gold from Maison Francis Kirke de Jean. So this is the same person that made Burberry Her and also made another one that's going to come up on the list. And this is a sort of vanillic fruity scent, but more vanillic and warm and comforting. There's a little bit of juniper berry in there that breaks up the vanilla, and there's a very exquisite smelling musk in here that gives it a very chic, modern sophistication. And that's why it's my probably top 3 favorite fragrances in my collection. This is a any occasion, any type of year, easy reach, similar to Burberry Her, even though it smells nothing like Burberry Her, but just you can always pick it up, feel beautiful, you know, compliment getter as well. Super long lasting. Put it on in the morning, you don't have to worry about it anymore because it lasts all day. Next up is another top 3 in my collection, and it's Delina Exclusif from Parfums de Marly. Now this is one of the more unique perfumes in my collection. Beautiful, sweet, ambery, vanillic rose scent. A little bit of musk in here that smells very expensive. This smells ultra modern, almost just like the actual notes that's in it, and not so much like a perfume, even though it's a perfume. It's just super modern like that. Y'all, this is breathtaking. It'll be hard to find something prettier than this, just period. Very feminine, very warm and comforting, but it's still a scent that you can wear summer, winter, spring, or fall, just because it has those warmer notes in here. Something almost marshmallow like something between the cross between like a powdery marshmallow. Beautiful, and it's one of those scents that lasts all day long. When you put it on, you're gonna smell it the whole day. And before I forget about it, I want to talk about Donna Born in Roma from Valentino. It's in a purse because I have the travel size of it, but I wanted to mention it because I mix it with this and it's beautiful. But Donna Born in Roma, the original and the Intense, because they smell sort of similar. To me, the Intense is a little bit more moody, but they smell very similar. Ambery vanillic scents, similar to like the ambery vanillic scent this is, but it smells completely different. Beautiful scent that's any occasion, and it lasts all day long. But Donna Born in Roma mixed with this is beautiful. So just imagine the longevity. And the last 4 fragrances are going to be some super moody fragrances that are perfect for nighttime, but I do wear these during the day as well. So this one is YSL Libre Intense. This is a beautiful ambery scent. It's sweet, it's ambery, it smells very rich. It gives fall, winter. It just, oh my gosh. It gives rich, y'all. This is one that when you smell it, you start to feel weak in the knees. It smells so good, but it's long lasting too. This is one you put on, it lasts all day long. You don't have to worry about it wearing off, but you get vanilla out of this. You get a lot of amber. It's sweet. It's sultry. And then next is Bakarat Rouge 540 from Maison Francis Kirke de Jean. So this is the fragrance, make the perfumer who made the Burberry Her and who also made the Gentle Fluidity Gold. This is from the same fragrance house. But this one is more like an ambery, almond, musky. This is another one that's unisex. This would be gorgeous on a man or a woman. This smells ultra expensive and luxe, which it is expensive, but it's just very sophisticated and very rich smelling and unique. At the time that it was made, it was very unique. Now it's just one of the most highly duped perfumes, where it's just so many fragrance houses make something that smells like this, but this is the original scent that smelled like this. And it's just this Extrait version. I don't know about the original Baccarat Rouge 540, but the Extrait version, which is this one, it lasts for 24 hours plus. Wherever you spray it, it never comes off. You literally have to wash it off. But it's good. It's really nice. This is something that I wear on date night. And next up, this is a fragrance that's becoming one of my favorites, kind of like up there on the list. And this is Fenty Parfum from Fenty. It smells so good to me. Now, I will say this about Fenty. This is not for a lot of people will like the ones that I mentioned before. This is one that's very much an acquired taste. Everyone won't like this. Everyone won't understand this scent, but I love it. This one is very musky as well. It has Bulgarian rose in it. It's sweet, but in a very deep, moody, seductive way. Also unisex. Did I say blueberry? There's blueberry in here. There's some fruits in here. It smells sort of exotic, moody, sexy. This is would be a perfect Vegas scent to take to Vegas with you or somewhere like that. But date night, nighttime, man or woman, year round, the fruitiness I could see working well for like a summer night, but equally as well during the winter months because it's warm. This one's good. It's very layered, and this is another one that you have to wash off because it lasts all day long or the next day. It's gonna be on your skin or clothes until you wash it off. And last but not least is a Tiziana Terenzi fragrance. And I do have several other Tiziana Terenzi fragrances, but they're like through Scentbox and Scentbird. So it's just like a 10 ml or 9 ml, whatever size those comes in. And I find that every last one of them are just as long lasting as this one. And this was my first to my collection, which is Kirke from Tiziana Terenzi. I got it for my birthday a few years ago. Very fruity. It has a lot of exotic fruits in here, and there's a couple different types of musks in here. If you're familiar with Tiziana Terenzi, it's known for having that sort of unique muskiness that's like the signature note to their fragrances. So they're very strong. When you talk about beast mode and strong, that's what this gives you. Lasts all day long. You would have to wash it off. That's how long it lasts, but it's beautiful. Perfect for nighttime, summer nights, or similar to Fenty summer nights, or just evening in general. But spray a little bit, you'll be good to go for during the day too. But I love this scent. I don't wear it as much anymore because I'm into softer scents at this moment in my life, but I will. Very, very beautiful. My top never did quite work right, but so that's it for my top 10 most long-lasting fragrances in my collection. So comment down below, let me know, have you tried any of these fragrances that I mentioned today, and what are some of your more long-lasting fragrances in your collection? Every perfume I mentioned today will be listed in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause to